Consciousness as a fundamental aspect of the universe. Fundamental aspect theory. Some theories propose that consciousness is not just a byproduct of brain activity but a fundamental aspect of the universe, much like space and time. This perspective suggests that consciousness could be woven into the very fabric of reality. Here are a few key points related to this theory. Panpsychism. Definition. Panpsychism is the philosophical view that consciousness is a fundamental and ubiquitous feature of the universe. According to this view, everything in the universe, from the smallest particles to the largest structures, possesses some form of consciousness. Implication. If consciousness is indeed fundamental, it means that the entire universe is imbued with conscious experience at some level. This challenges the traditional view that consciousness arises solely from complex biological processes. Integrated Information Theory (IIT). Definition. IIT is a scientific theory that attempts to explain consciousness by quantifying the amount of integrated information in a system. It proposes that consciousness arises from the way information is processed and integrated within a network. Implication. According to IIT, consciousness is a fundamental aspect of information processing. This suggests that any system capable of integrating information in a specific way could possess some level of consciousness. Quantum consciousness. Definition. Some theorists speculate that consciousness could be linked to quantum processes in the brain. Quantum mechanics, which governs the behavior of particles at the smallest scales, is inherently probabilistic and interconnected, which might provide a framework for understanding consciousness. Implication. If consciousness is connected to quantum processes, it could be an intrinsic part of the universe's fabric, operating at a fundamental level beyond classical physics. Holistic view of reality. Interconnectedness. This perspective emphasizes the interconnectedness of all things in the universe. Consciousness might be seen as an emergent property that arises from the complex interactions between various parts of the universe. Implication. Viewing consciousness as interconnected with the fabric of reality suggests that our individual experiences are part of a larger, unified whole. This holistic view aligns with many spiritual and philosophical traditions that emphasize unity and interconnectedness. Philosophical and metaphysical perspectives. Ancient philosophies. Many ancient philosophical and spiritual traditions, such as Hinduism and Buddhism, have long posited that consciousness is a fundamental aspect of the universe. These traditions often view consciousness as the underlying reality from which all phenomena arise. Modern interpretations. Modern philosophers and scientists continue to explore these ideas, seeking to bridge the gap between science and spirituality. The idea that consciousness is fundamental challenges the materialistic view that sees the universe as composed solely of matter and energy. Implications and speculations. Understanding reality. If consciousness is a fundamental aspect of the universe, it could lead to a deeper understanding of the nature of reality itself. This might help explain phenomena that currently elude scientific explanation, such as the nature of subjective experience and the mind-body problem. Ethics and values. Viewing consciousness as fundamental could have ethical implications, influencing how we treat other conscious beings and the natural world. It might foster a greater sense of connection and responsibility toward all forms of life. Scientific exploration. These theories encourage interdisciplinary research, blending insights from physics, neuroscience, philosophy, and spirituality. Such exploration could lead to new scientific paradigms and revolutionary discoveries. In summary, the idea that consciousness may be a fundamental aspect of the universe invites us to reconsider our understanding of reality. It suggests that consciousness is not just an emergent property of complex systems but an intrinsic part of the fabric of reality, interconnected with space, time, and information. This perspective opens up exciting possibilities for future research and philosophical exploration.